Hi guys, this is my update, and I have now officially found a way how to make smoke fluid for the smoke machine. Glycerine. I used glycerine and distilled water. Well, deionized water from Tesco and glycerine. So this is how you make your own smoke machine fluid, and as you can see, it fucking works. Right, this TV is not working properly, so don't blame me if I get peed off. Because when things don't work the way I want it to work, I get really peed off and smash things. And I just tend to talk shite. Which is known to command. So yeah, you can see all the beams of light from all the lasers and shit like that. Pretty cool, eh? And there's a lot of smoke machine fluid left. Let's play some music for the lights and have the effect super real. Music, just play whatever shite, don't know. Pretty cool. It's exciting. Bye now.